This here is your Entraflo feeding pump. I will show you proper setup and troubleshooting. Let's get right into it.
Let's go over the basics first. We have our Entraflo feeding pump. We have our feeding bag. Power cable is connected to our machine already. It is on an IV pole. We have gloves, pen. Let's pretend this water is our formula, and an alcohol prep pad. We're ready to begin. We have our bag open. This is a 1,000 milliliter feeding pump set. From here, we also have our labels. Please label these accordingly. That's where our pen comes into play. From here, just check the integrity of your bag. You're gonna check the tubing all the way down to the end and also the bag itself. If everything looks okay, we can hang this above our pump, and you're gonna do this 6 inches above your feeding pump here. You're gonna find the drip chamber located here. Set it into your pump. You'll start up high, and you'll just navigate it down into the machine. Okay, I lower our bag a little bit just for training purposes so you can see. But we have this here. We are open. I use my alcohol prep on my pretend formula. I may drink a little bit. From here, I can actually open this up. We'll pour your formula into your bag, and always pour above the desired level. There we go. Make sure your roller clamps up, and now your formula is gonna go all the way through. And what I like to do is, for it to go all the way through our tube here. So when I lift this up, okay, so we have feed coming out. I'm gonna cap this, use my roller clamp down to close. Doing this ensures we have no air bubbles, and this is gonna go very smoothly. Next is to finish our connection. So this is our blue triangle rotor. We're gonna go around, and we need to connect our adapter. So this is stretchy, so you can pull on this. Around our triangle, your pump adapter is gonna stretch and get into location. So just gonna snap in. Now this is where people who cause a little troubleshoot. Don't pull on this to push your guide in, just push. And you're all set. We're just about ready now. You can connect your standard tube, or we have the infit connection as well, which twists. So once this is connected, we could open our roller clamp by pushing up. We can turn on our machine, and now we can press run pause. And slowly gonna start going. From here, I'd still monitor your machine just to make sure it's working. But so far, so good.